Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender with another fun cocktail. Today, we're going to be thinking about to get and grab that amazing book, grab the little blanket, maybe turn on the chimney and enjoying this beautiful cold weather with nothing better than a hot toddy. Please stay with me and let me show you how we can do this bad boy. Okay, so the hot toddy. Well, believe it that it was made in Scotland in the early 1700s. Seems to be there's some discrepancy with the flavor of the Scotch rather than having a little more sweet product than a better sweet product of the whiskey. So seems to be like America adopted this theme very well with the bourbon. And nowadays, I mean, it is believed that actually has some kind of like a remedy, aspects in the cocktail. So that being said, and obviously, I am not recommending anybody to, if you have a cold or you have a cough, you go to the kitchen and make yourself a hot toddy. However, if it's rainy, if it's kind of cold, and you just want to chill and have something just to make you feel a little bit more cozy at home, this is a perfect cocktail. So we're gonna need obviously a really nice bourbon. I insist, I always love Buffalo Trace, but you can use any kind of bourbon of your preference. You're gonna need some honey. However, you can do some Demerara Demerara syrup, or you can have some brown sugar as well. You're gonna need some lemon. I like the cinnamon and clove together. And obviously we're gonna need some lemon. And the main guy, which is gonna be our hot water, and we need to actually speed up this thing. So first thing that we're gonna be doing is just warming up your mug. So in the meantime, while the water is boiling, let me just remind you guys, please, if you like what you drink, if you like what you see, if you like the channel, please, put your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right under there. All right, so we're getting our water boiling. First thing that we're going to be doing is warm up our mug. So fill it up with nice and hot water and just let it sit for a little bit. In the meantime, we're going to be working on our garnish. So you're going to have a lemon wheel. Make sure that actually your wheel is kind of thick, because what you're going to be doing is sticking the cloves along the wheel. So you can put 2 to 4 cloves. Just put it all over. Very simple. Now, what we're gonna do is dump your hot water. Mug is perfectly nice and hot. You're gonna go and fill it up halfway. You're gonna go for 2.5 bar spoons of lemon juice. This is approximately half of an ounce, a little bit less than half of an ounce, but it seems to be that the amount of lemon juice and the amount of honey change completely the flavor of the cocktail. So be cautious about this. Obviously, some people, they like it a little bit more lemony. Some other people, they like it a little bit more sweet. So give it yourself the full recipe as is, and then just, adjust your flavors the way you want it. So we're gonna put one and 2 bar spoons of honey. Once everything is nice and dissolved, let's go for 2 ounces of bourbon. We're gonna grab our cinnamon, toss some in there, and our lemon. Okay, so get the blankets out, turn on the chimney, and just enjoy your hot toddy. Salud, everyone.
Not low, clove.
It's clove.
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 Say it.
Clove.
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 Yeah.
Clove.
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 Got it.
Clove. Clove.